Good evening guys, welcome back to our channel, UK-PINAY. How Mr. C?
Hello.
How are you?
Alright.
We're having a barbecue
We are, because we're crazy, we're British.
in the evening.
Yeah.
Look, and
It's a nice garden.
nice garden, it's freezing. I just come home from work and Mr. C busy doing what?
Cooking my wife's dinner.
Yes,
Been a good husband.
always does.
Anyway, look. This is on the menu tonight.
We have sausages, pork sausages. We have manok chicken. We have belly pork, baboy.
Yeah, but I've done that in a Korean barbecue.
Yeah, Korean barbecue.
That's going to be nice.
Yeah, thanks, Mister.
It's alright. Anything for my wife?
Thank you very
Even though
much.
she does moan at me a lot.
Get used to it now, babe.
Uh,
Is it nearly done?
she's nearly done, yeah.
And what we do after that? After that barbecue,
We're doing that.
we're doing this. It's good now because it's been 40 degrees temperature. Supposed to be we are doing swimming yesterday, but the bloody rain.
British weather.
It's the brightest weather, so today we can do that after we have food, you know. And this is very nice because we can use the light now, and lovely clean tables we have. Thanks, Mister, for the dinner.
That's okay.
I become housewife, no, husband.
I'm a house husband. I'm a kept man for a change.
Keep mine for a couple of weeks, then back to reality. Okay, and Stella, no cheap.
Sponsored by Stella. We don't have no cheap beer today.
Yeah,
God no, we're going to be skint soon.
because of that, Stella.
Because I've only got one wage packet coming in. But I've got an interview on Friday for a 70 to 80,000 pound a year job.
That's good.
For a massive company, and it's looking very, very well.
Yeah.
So I was going to go to Amazon in Kettering, but somebody from my old company, and I've seen the screenshots, by the way, you know you were, told the client to avoid, but I've seen the screenshots, and because a friend of mine...
I thought you going back in there, different person.
It doesn't matter, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Like maybe tomorrow I'll get a phone call to go back as a manager of a manager. So the people that have screwed me over, you know what? Get ready.
Yeah, right.
Get ready.
Okay, we're having a food. We're having a food for the barbecue, and we're gonna eat. Then I'll catch you in a bit, guys.
Well, 10 minutes later, guys, we're sort of there. We've got Rafi Tulfo on the telly. And look at this grub. What? Sausages.
Thanks, babe.
Chicken and pork. I've done the pork with the Korean style marinade. The chicken's got a hot buffalo style, and the sausages are just as it should be, really. Bloody gorgeous. Ooh, let's nosh this, and then we're going to hit the barbecue and the jacuzzi. I screwed up there because what I meant to say, let's hit the barbecue, which we've done, and then we'll do the jacuzzi. Too many Stellas, guys.
Even long time, you can put that slow, yeah? Okay, yeah? Guys. Ooh, it's nice.
Pretty hot. First jacuzzi this year, guys.
First jacuzzi, guys.
Got another. There's a lot of water in here.
That's alright.
I remember saying to when you get to the bottom line, turn it off.
I did anyway.
I can see that, babe, yeah. Oh guys, this is so nice. Check out the garden. Wow. Just too nice. I'm going to catch you in a bit. I'm just going to soak for about 40 minutes. Well, about 30 minutes later, guys. It's sort of like gas mark 7. It's like 40 degrees in here in the hot tub. It might be quite cold outside because it's UK weather. But you know what, I don't care. I'm chilled. Don't have any more worries. Except for work. But there's no worries either. I've got a £70,000 to £80,000 job interview going up on Friday. And I've got a £400 a day contract coming up in April. So it doesn't really matter. But I will say, from my previous company, guys, if you're watching, please stop making comments to other people on WhatsApp, because I do have your screenshots and I can see it when you're saying avoid, and I know who you are. Okay, please don't make me come round to the business and confront you, because it would be quite embarrassing for you. Alright, anyway, I'm going to get back to my life of luxury now, because money's not everything, guys. Quality of life is worth a lot more. I'm sort of working to live now, not living to work. For a change. Peace out.
Salamat! Take your beer.
I've got a beer. Right there.
Ta-da!
I should be sponsored by Stella. I've got to show you this, guys. Because at night,
You can turn the camera.
it looks really cool.
No, it's here. You can hear it.
That's our little garden paradise. Built with my own hands.
Hey guys, it's very nice in the day, in the night. There you go. That's a little garden space. And our table there, guys. There we go. And lights that Mr. C fixed. And jacuzzi here. That's Mr. C. There we go. Mr. C there.
Oh yeah. And by the way, Phil, thanks for watching, mate. Love your videos. I want to see that boat in the water at some point. That's gorgeous, it really is. Fun fact, I used to have a GRP cabin cruiser as well. I had it on the Norfolk roads at Pontahoyam and Wroxham. And I spent one winter in it and I never did it again, I sold it. But yeah, life in a boat, lovely. But what you've done on your channel looks absolutely amazing, it really does. I sort of feel like I want to buy another boat.
I don't know where we're gonna park though. We're gonna keep it.
I don't know, we'll stick it in the water. Well, at least you've got the right car to put it on a trailer and pull it anywhere you want to get it. Because I think you can pull up to 3 tons with your Range Rover. I meant to ask Phil, have you got the button in the back when you open the boot on the right hand side that you can push and the tow bar comes down from under the bumper? You should have that. I just thought I'd ask. I've got it, but I've got no trailer. So, if you want me to move your boat anywhere, mate, just give us a shout, I'll come over.
Thanks, Phil, for shout out the other day.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah, thank you so
Phil.
much. Thank you so much for watching, Phil. In a bit. Okay.
I think 30 minutes in the jacuzzi is enough, because I'm getting cooked. In fact, I'm looking whiter than normal.
Too much chlorine.
If there's any cannibals watching, it's going to take another 3 hours before I'm ready to serve, guys. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed,
What's the button, guys?
yeah, you know where that button is. If not, I'll make a video especially to show you where the button is on the YouTube channel. So, salamat, guys.
Salamat po.
Take it easy now.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Sabi